Right, welcome back guys. I know I've been a bit missing, a bit busy. What I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be building 4 floating shelves, and then I might do a time lapse of me building alcove units and fitting them in someone's house. Got 2 pieces here for the side. These will get screwed into the wall, and there'll be a longer piece at the back. We've got 2 thin pieces, pretty much making a shell. I don't know if you can see that there. And then we'll use a piece at the front like that, just to give it some strength, and one in the middle. And then because of the thickness of this, I've cut another thinner piece, and that'll be at the front covering. So we'll stick that there, stick a clamp on, help us hold it a bit, make sure it's not hanging off the edges. I'll do 2 centimeters away from the edge. I don't know what all the other marks are from, but another clamp in, flip it again, line that up the same way. Side, another piece of ply that runs along the front, covering any gaps and difference in the grain. You can see quite lightweight, but should be pretty sturdy. Get this on there. Oh, that sticks quite well. To fit these, just screw the brackets into the wall, slide the shelves over and secure with a screw or 2. My cooking skills are probably a crime against humanity, and these shelves and units were actually built for I Want More Cooking channel, so if you guys can like, share and subscribe, show them some love, do your stomach a favour probably. And then a few pictures now. We've got the shelves, the supporting bracket, and then a few before, during and afters. Thanks for watching guys. Like, share, subscribe.